Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium full-tower PC case that blends Scandinavian aesthetics with high-performance functionality. Designed for users who value both style and airflow, the North XL features a distinctive front panel made of real walnut wood slats, which not only adds a warm, modern look but also enhances ventilation. This XL version is built to accommodate high-end components and water cooling setups. It supports ATX motherboards and large GPUs up to 413mm, with the front fan removed, making it ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts. It includes 3 pre-installed 140mm fans, 2 in the front and 1 at the rear, for excellent airflow out of the box, while the mesh panel design and open internal layout ensure optimal thermal performance. The case supports up to a 420mm radiator at the top and a 360mm radiator in the front, giving users flexibility for custom or AIO liquid cooling. There's also ample clearance for cable management, a PSU shroud, and toolless drive mounts for a clean and tidy build. With a tempered glass side panel, dark tint, your build and RGB components are elegantly displayed while maintaining a dark, stealthy look. The chassis offers excellent build quality, sound dampening materials, and a well-thought-out interior layout. Overall, the North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is ideal for builders who want top-tier airflow, spacious component support, and a stunning minimalist design that doesn't sacrifice performance. It's a unique blend of elegance and engineering. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a highly modular mid-tower ATX PC case designed for DIY enthusiasts and builders who value flexibility and aesthetics. It features a flat-pack design, meaning it ships disassembled in compact packaging, reducing environmental impact and shipping costs. Assembly is straightforward, making it accessible even for first-time builders. The case offers a fully modular structure, allowing users to customize internal layouts according to their cooling and component needs. It supports motherboards up to eATX size, giving users ample room for high-performance builds. Despite its compact footprint, the Qube 500 can house dual 280mm radiators, one at the top and one at the bottom, ideal for custom water cooling or high-end AIO setups. A single 120mm SF black fan is pre-installed at the rear for out-of-the-box airflow, and there's room for additional fans for enhanced thermal performance. The case also features a vertical GPU mount, allowing for stylish GPU display and improved cooling for graphics cards. It supports large GPUs and provides multiple cable management routes to maintain a clean interior. The Qube 500 is designed with tool-free panels, a removable top frame, and easy-to-remove dust filters, ensuring convenient maintenance and upgrades. It also offers ample space for storage drives, with support for both SSDs and HDDs. Finished in matte black, the Cooler Master Qube 500 is a well-balanced case that blends style, functionality, and environmental consideration, making it ideal for modern PC builders looking for versatility and performance. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX Gaming Chassis, model IWCSA3BLK1AM120S, is a compact, premium quality case designed for performance-focused small form factor builds. Built with a sleek brushed aluminum and steel exterior in matte black, it blends minimalist aesthetics with functional airflow. The case supports Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, offering surprising versatility within a compact footprint. One of its standout features is the pre-installed InWin Mercury AM120SA ARGB fan, which offers quiet performance and customizable RGB lighting that can be synced with major motherboard software, Asus Aura Sync, MSI Mystic Light, etc. The chassis supports up to 5 fans total, ensuring efficient cooling. It can house CPU coolers up to 162 mm tall, graphics cards up to 340 mm in length, and ATX PSUs up to 200 mm, making it capable of accommodating high-performance components despite its small size. The A3 also includes removable dust filters on the top and bottom panels for easier maintenance. Internally, there are options for mounting 2x 2.5-inch SSDs and 2x 3.5 HDDs, giving users a solid mix of storage flexibility. Toolless design elements and cable management features ensure a cleaner build experience. With a modern front I/O including 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and HD audio, the A3 is well equipped for today's gaming and productivity needs. Overall, the InOne A3 is an excellent choice for builders seeking a premium, airflow-optimized compact chassis with subtle ARGB flair. Number 4. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a refined mid-tower ATX case engineered for optimized airflow and modern hardware compatibility, tailored especially for gamers and PC builders prioritizing cooling and cable management. Its white color scheme adds a clean, minimalist aesthetic suitable for a variety of setups. At the heart of its design is enhanced airflow performance. It comes pre-installed with 3 120mm fans, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, to ensure consistent intake and exhaust. The 2024 update introduces support for bottom-mounted fans, enabling dedicated GPU cooling, which is a notable benefit for systems with high-end graphics cards that generate significant heat. Internally, the case accommodates ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, along with full-size GPUs, multiple storage drives, and large CPU air coolers. The spacious interior and tool-free design make installation straightforward, while the intuitive cable management system, featuring wide cable channels and pre-installed straps, ensures a clean build with improved airflow and aesthetics. The front and top panels are fully ventilated, with a perforated mesh design that improves intake without compromising dust filtration. There's also ample room for radiator support, up to 360 mm in the front and top, making it suitable for both air and liquid-cooled builds. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 balances style, airflow, and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a well-ventilated case with modern features, especially those needing extra GPU cooling and effective cable routing in a sleek, white mid-tower format. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is a sleek mid-tower ATX PC case designed for gamers and enthusiasts who want both style and performance. It features a striking snow-white exterior with dual-tempered glass panels on the front and side, offering a crystal-clear view of your internal components and RGB lighting. This case comes equipped with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans that provide vibrant customizable lighting effects and efficient airflow to keep your system cool. Supporting motherboards up to eATX size, the View 270 Plus TG ARGB offers plenty of room for high-end builds. It supports liquid cooling setups with radiator compatibility up to 360 mm in the front, allowing users to install powerful cooling solutions for CPUs and GPUs. Cable management is optimized to help you maintain a clean, professional-looking build, while multiple storage options provide flexibility with mounting points for SSDs and HDDs. The case also offers excellent expandability with enough space for large graphics cards and multiple expansion slots. Its toolless design simplifies the installation process. The ARGB lighting can be synchronized with most motherboard software, giving you full control over the lighting aesthetics. Additionally, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. This case is perfect for those seeking a combination of eye-catching design, strong cooling performance, and spacious interior for a versatile, high-performance gaming or workstation PC build.